Back it up. Back it up over here and then try again. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching BrosAuto. On today's episode, we are going to paint the engine bay, the interior. It's still a little bit wet in a few spots, but it's okay. We'll get it all nice and dry here in a minute. Mask off some of the body lines. Start mixing paint and stuff. Again, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode because we are going to be uploading videos every week. So guys, what I'm actually going to be doing is painting only the door jambs, the interior, and the engine bay. The rest I'm going to leave actually to the professionals. I mean, professional paint booth. Sorry. They're going to paint all the exterior panels like the quarter panel, the door, the hood, fenders, front bumper cover, roof skin. We're still waiting on parts from the dealer for the roof skin to come in. Once that comes in, we'll get it all buttoned up, weld it on, and we'll send it to the paint booth. Alright guys, wait a second. Alright guys, the Hellcat is all taped up, ready for paint. There's a few little issues here and there that I gotta address with some sealer, but don't worry. Right after the sealer, we'll get that paint mixed up and we'll start shooting. check this out. Matte red. Dang, I did not think it's gonna look so good. Oh my goodness. Wow, this looks nice. And guess what? I'm not even finished yet. I still have step 2. Step 2 is clear coat. Once I lay down the clear coat, it's gonna look so shiny. Oh yeah. Alright, enough filming. Now cut to the hyperlapse. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Red pearl. Gosh. This color just looks so stinking awesome. Dang, check that out. Look at that engine bay. Wow, that looks amazing. Pretty awesome. All right. Now that the paint job on the interior and the engine bay is all done, next stop is the body shop.